Pecker Woods. Hello, Nebby. Looks like you've been trying to get in over here. What's up, dude? How you doing, Fat Cosmo? Yeah. What's up, little buddy? I'm not gonna hurt you, bud. Oh, thank you. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. I got a squeeze in. I got a squeeze in. Who's this? Hi, little boy. Hi, little boy. How are you? Hi, mister. Yeah. All right. Look at the size of them balls. Jesus. I'm probably 2.5 times your weight, and my balls ain't a fraction of that.